Hi everyone, I'm Charity from Accessible Nutrition. I'm one of the co-authors of a cookbook called Easy Healthy Tasty, and before we get started cooking, we're going to wash our hands. So it's really important to wet your hands before you start washing them. And then you want to sort of build up a bit of a nice lather. Make sure you've got your fingers in between your other fingers, and then do the backs of your hands and make sure you get in between your fingers there as well. Make sure you do that on both hands, not just the hand that you're used to writing with. Make sure you get your thumbs, both of them. Interlace your hand, oh you can't even see it very well through all the soap, like this, to make sure that you're getting the backs of your fingers, because it's really easy to miss there, and around near your nails as well. And then to try and get some of that soap under any nails that you've got there, give it a scrub on the palm of your hand. Also helps to get into any of the creases on the palm of your hand. And finish up by washing up near your wrists. And hopefully that's taken around about 20 seconds. And rinse off. The other thing to remember that's really important is that actually drying your hands is part of the washing process. Now in our house we have a tea towel just for drying hands sitting here right near the sink, ready to go. I hope that's been really helpful for you today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.